Welcome to this presentation on numerical analysis of the flow behavior of a nitrogen hydrocarbon mixture through an expansion capillary used in Joule-Thomson refrigerator. This research was conducted by Rajiv Kumar Mandal et al. And published in 29th July 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Existing literature on Joule-Thomson refrigerators, particularly those utilizing nitrogen hydrocarbon mixed refrigerants, lacks detailed investigations into the flow characteristics within expansion capillaries. While prior work, such as that by Harish and Venkatratnam 2017 and Meher and Venkatratnam 2018, often assumes homogeneous flow for specific analyses, the precise theoretical contribution of this study is to relax the assumption of unexamined internal flow dynamics. It provides a quantitative understanding of how geometric and operating parameters influence mass flow rate and temperature profiles. The strongest prior baseline for this specific problem is the absence of detailed parametric studies on N2HC flow behavior in JT capillaries, with the second strongest being studies like Parmar et al. 2020 that provided experimental data for model validation but not a comprehensive flow analysis. Our methodology employs a numerical simulation based on the homogeneous equilibrium approach, utilizing the volume of fluid method to model the two-phase flow. The simulations were conducted using ANSYS Fluent R12024, assuming steady and homogeneous flow with identical velocities for both liquid and vapor phases. This approach is supported by prior work, where Ardhapurkar et al. 2014 and Meher and Venkatratnam 2018 found homogeneous models correlate well with experimental results. The numerical model was validated against experimental data from Parmar et al. 2020-23 demonstrating prediction accuracy within 20% for mass flow rate and 10% for capillary outlet temperature. The numerical simulations revealed significant quantitative relationships between capillary parameters and flow behavior. The mass flow rate increased by 20 to 40% with an elevation in capillary inlet pressure from 11 to 19 bar, with all other variables held constant, as detailed in Table 5. Conversely, the mass flow rate is estimated to decline by 40 to 50% as the capillary length extends from 0.5 to 2 meters. Regarding thermal performance, the capillary outlet temperature decreased by 1 to 5 Kelvin for every 0.5 meter increase in length, while increasing by 2 to 6 Kelvin with a rise in capillary inlet pressure from 11 to 19 bar. The observed increase in mass flow rate with higher inlet pressure is primarily due to an enhanced pressure differential and a higher density fluid at the inlet, which collectively increase the driving force through the capillary. Conversely, the reduction in mass flow rate with increased capillary length stems from greater frictional resistance over a larger surface area. The decrease in outlet temperature with length is attributed to a more pronounced pressure drop, particularly below saturation pressure, leading to increased flashing and cooling. These findings align with fundamental fluid dynamics principles and extend the understanding of mixed refrigerant behavior in JT systems, building upon general knowledge of throttling processes. This numerical analysis provides critical insights into the flow behavior of nitrogen hydrocarbon mixtures within JT refrigerator expansion capillaries, quantifying the effects of key geometric and operating parameters. The findings underscore the importance of balancing refrigeration effect and evaporator temperature when selecting optimal capillary length and diameter for specific applications. The paper does not report specific limitations regarding sample size, statistical significance, distribution shift behavior, or generalization caveats. However, the validated homogeneous model offers a robust framework for improving the design and performance prediction of small closed cycle JT refrigerators.